This is the Dhoni of of Ismail Shah Baba. And there is a Baba who doesn't want to take pictures, so I'm shooting it from outside. And the Urus starts from 22nd, but I've just come a day earlier. This is the Dargah of Ismail Shah Baba. When I come here accidentally, I had some work in Dadar, so I thought I'll just shoot a video. And the Urus over here starts on the 22nd, 23rd and 24th. Video. So this is the Dargah that I've been shooting for many years. It's all being decorated. वो हुसैन साहब का किधर है? हुसैन चिश्ती साहब का ये है क्या आगे दरगाह? हुसैन साहब का किधर है दरगाह? जिनका उरस होने वाला है. So you have Nuri Baba, Ismail Shah Baba, various Babas here in this complex. And this is Nuri Baba's holy shrine. Hazrat Nuri Shah Baba. And this is Abdul Rahman Shah Baba. And this is Ismail Shah Baba. This is the main Dargah. And this is Hussain Chishti Baba, who will be celebrating his Urus on the 22nd, 23rd and 24th. The entire shrine is being renovated, decorated. This is Hussain Chishti Baba. This is Hazrat Sheikh Hussain Shah Baba Chishti. Hazrat Sheikh Hussain Shah Baba Chishti. This is the auspicious shrine, the holy shrine of the saint who will be celebrating his Urus in a few days. The Rafais have already come, the Kalandris have come. And the Urus will start. People will start coming on the 21st. People will start coming on the 21st. And the Urus will go on from 22nd. This is Hazrat Sheikh Hussain Shah Baba Chishti. So this is the Dargah of Ismail Shah Baba. हाँ ठीक है. The beauty about this Dargah, it has a dormitory on the top that houses the patients and the patients' relatives who are being treated at Tata Cancer Hospital. And this Dargah committee is doing a great work. They charge 50 rupees per person, along with the relative another 50 rupees. So in about 100 rupees, they give lodging and boarding. They give food twice a day. And this is the very important contribution to the cancer patients who come from all over India. And they're living on the top. There's a dormitory. And the Dargah committee takes care of them. And there's a very noble service, which I don't know if people are aware of it. I mean, a service that others should be doing, it is this Dargah. And I am really, this is Hazrat Abdul Rahman Shah Baba's. This is Hazrat Noori Shah Baba written on the top. This is Hazrat Sheikh Hussain Shah Chishti Baba's shrine. And this is all at Parel. Very peaceful place. Absolutely peaceful. In the night it will get crowded. And as the days pass by, I mean from 21st onwards, there will be a huge crowd over here. Followers of these Babas, followers of Hussain Chishti Baba who will come here from all over and pay respects to the holy saint. I have been documenting this Dargah for many years, and the monk who introduced me to this Dargah many years back was late Sikandar Wali Baba. He brought me here and I began documenting this Dargah. You can see the huge Dargah. And then as time passed by, I started coming here more and more often, thanks to my friend Khadim Nihal and many others here who helped me showcase this Dargah. And I don't know what kind of a bond I have with this Dargah, but there is a cosmic bond that brings me here. Whenever I come for some work at Dadar, at Hind Mata, I make sure to come and shoot this Dargah. So right ahead at the corner is the Dhuni of the Rafais, and these are ladies washing the vessels of the, and they may be connected to the cancer patients. Just hold this. ऐसे पकड़िए ना, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे पकड़िए आप. So this is the dargah of Ismail Shah Baba that I have been documenting for many years. This is a very beautiful, peaceful dargah. This is a dargah that brings me here. I don't know why and how or when. It just happens. I'm pulled. I think it's a current. It's a kind of a cosmic current that brings me to this dargah at Parel, and I have been documenting it as I explained for many years. This dargah does a lot of good work, as I explained to you. It takes care of the cancer patients who are from Tata, and at a very nominal cost, living in Mumbai, at 50 rupees per person, they give 2 times food, they give shelter, and they really, really, really help and contribute to the integrity of Mumbai and the integrity of our country. Jai Hind.